Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add text to speech on TikTok video. This is a great way to add audio to your videos without having to record your own voice. I'll walk you through the steps so that you can start using this feature right away. So you have to make sure that you watch the video until the end to learn how to do this. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up the TikTok mobile application, and after that you have to tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then here you can record any of the video like the other videos you record, or you can upload any of the video. For the purpose of this video I am going to select a video from the gallery, and now to add text to speech you simply have to click on the text option, and here you have to type the text which you want to add. For example, if I am adding hi. After once you have typed your text, you can change the font, you can change the color of the text, you can add highlight to the text or anything you want. Once you are satisfied with your text, you simply have to click on done, and after that to make the text to speak you simply have to click on the text, and here you can see the first option is of text to speech. You simply have to click on this, and after that your text will be converted to speech and it will be speak aloud once the video is enabled. And after that you can customize your video by adding stickers, effect, and after that you simply have to post this video. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to add text to your TikTok video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.